Hi, my name is Tom. I'm CEO of my own company. My rating for Real-Time Pro is a 5 out of 5. For more information and more reviews, click below. I use Real-Time Labor Guide on a day-to-day basis to keep track of my completed work orders, invoices, estimates, and my customers' needs as far as upcoming service. What I like the most about Real-Time Labor Guide is you can set your own part numbers in order to have an internal code for suppliers. It remembers the parts. You can always edit it. It's mobile. You can access it anywhere. And in my business, that works out very, very well. Any employees can access invoices or information. One of the things I dislike about Real-Time Labor Guide is I cannot go into my inventory with enough detail. The other thing I have some issues with is more descriptions on the labor operations. I'd like to see more descriptions that actually go onto the invoice or the work order.